stop buying the wrong mesh Wi-Fi 6 routers. It's 2026, and if you're still struggling with dead zones, slow speeds, or a router setup that feels like rocket science, you're missing out. As a tech reviewer who lives and breathes this stuff, I've seen countless, beginner-friendly devices that are anything but. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the absolute best mesh Wi-Fi 6 and 6E routers specifically for beginners. We're talking effortless setup, intuitive apps, and performance that just works. And before we even get into our countdown, let me tell you, our number one pick completely redefines easy to use, while still delivering phenomenal Wi-Fi 6E speeds across your entire home. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss it. Let's kick things off with our fifth pick, a system that's powerful but might ask just a little bit more from you at the start, the Asus ZenWiFi AX. The Asus ZenWiFi AX system is a beast for performance, giving you robust Wi-Fi 6 coverage with Asus's signature AI mesh technology. This means excellent speeds and reliable connections even in larger homes. It's for the beginner who secretly wants room to grow into more advanced network settings without having to swap out hardware. You get a ton of control and features once you dive in. But here's the honest flaw: for a total novice, the initial setup process and the extensive options within the app can feel a bit overwhelming. It's powerful, but it's not the most hand-holding experience on this list. Now, if you like the idea of serious power but want a slightly smoother entry, you're going to love our next pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the Netgear Orbi RBK852. Orbi is practically synonymous with high-performance mesh Wi-Fi, and the RBK852 lives up to that reputation. Its dedicated tri-band backhaul means screaming fast speeds to all your devices, even across large areas. This system is perfect for beginners with sprawling homes or lots of demanding devices who prioritize raw performance and reliability above all else. Setup is guided, but it's still a premium device with a premium price tag. The biggest drawback for beginners? Its price point is significantly higher than others on this list, and while generally good, the Orbi app can occasionally be a bit finicky during initial setup for some users. Can we get that power without the huge price tag and maybe even simplify the setup? Absolutely. Our next contender strikes a brilliant balance. At number 3, we're talking about the TP-Link Deco XE75. This system offers incredible value, bringing Wi-Fi 6E to the table with a dedicated 6 GHz backhaul. That means less congestion and even faster speeds for compatible devices. What makes it great for beginners is the remarkably simple Deco app that walks you through every step. It's clean, intuitive, and just works. This is for the beginner who wants future-proof Wi-Fi 6E without needing a second mortgage, offering a fantastic balance of features and ease of use. The only real honest flaw I've found is that while the app is simple, it offers fewer advanced customization options compared to some power user systems, and very occasionally, firmware updates can require a manual reboot. Alright, so if the Deco XE75 is a great balance, what if you just want absolute, unadulterated simplicity with a touch of smart home integration? Our runner-up at number 2 is the Google Nest WiFi Pro. If you live in a Google ecosystem and want a mesh system that's practically foolproof, this is it. It's Wi-Fi 6E, incredibly sleek, and the setup through the Google Home app is a masterclass in simplicity. You plug it in, follow a few prompts, and you're online. It seamlessly integrates with your other Google smart home devices, making it perfect for beginners who want a truly integrated and minimalist experience. The biggest flaw, however, is its absolute lack of advanced network controls. If you want to tweak DNS settings, port forwarding, or specific QoS rules, you're mostly out of luck. It's almost too simple for some. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick for the best mesh Wi-Fi 6 router for beginners in 2026. This system takes ease of use to an entirely new level, ensuring you spend zero time fiddling and all your time enjoying blazing fast, reliable internet. The undisputed champion for beginners in 2026 is the Eero Pro 6e. Eero has always been known for simplicity, but the Pro 6e takes it to perfection. Setup is incredibly intuitive through the Eero app, often taking mere minutes from unboxing to full network coverage. It's Wi-Fi 6E, delivering incredible speed and range, and its TrueMesh technology intelligently optimizes your network without you ever having to lift a finger. This system is for the ultimate beginner who wants a set-it-and-forget-it experience with rock-solid reliability and fantastic performance. You don't need to know anything about networking. Eero handles it all. Its one honest flaw, if I had to pick one, is that while core security features are built in, some more advanced parental controls or ad blocking features require a separate Eero Secure subscription. But for sheer simplicity and reliability right out of the box, nothing beats it. There you have it. The best mesh Wi-Fi 6 and 6E routers for beginners in 2026. No more dead zones, no more frustrating setups. Just fast, reliable internet for your whole home. Make sure to check the pinned comment and description below for the best prices right now on all these systems. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which mesh system you're running.